Welcome to the Brompton Factory in London. Let's step inside and see where the magic happens. Here's a look at some of the first ever Brompton prototypes. So different from the production ready Mark One. Check the description for my full Mark One video. The hinge, one of the most stressed parts of the bike, is precisely bonded using this automated brazing process. This is where Brompton's iconic mainframe bend is formed with exact precision. Each frame is hand-brazed by specialists, making every Brompton unique, and yes, I do give it a go at the end, so stay tuned. The wheels go through a rim taping and truing machine that checks each wheel for spin perfection, and only the best ones get through. Frame components such as the main frame, the rear triangle and the stem are then powder coated for that signature Brompton look and long-lasting protection. Parts are then pre-assembled here. Decals, components and finishing touches all come together. And here's my moment, trying my hand at brazing under expert guidance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the SinghOnABrompton channel for more content like this.